And we have some breaking news coming in on the assassination plot against activist Sushil Pandit. Police sources have told Republic TV that Pandit was targeted for speech favouring revocation of Article 370 for demanding Kashmiri Pandits return to the valley and for the JNU speech advocating rights of the Pandits. This is the breaking developments that we are just addressing, where the Delhi police has also, remember, arrested two for conspiring to assassinate Kashmiri activist Sushil Pandit. Now, the police have said that they received information that the two were planning to assassination plot on the social media networking app Signal. Right, the case has now been transferred to the Delhi Police Special Cell, with sources revealing that a foreign hand could be involved in the incident. As per the preliminary intel that has taken place, Pakistan-backed ISI is said to be part of the assassination plot with network links to a Dubai-based handler. The latest developments that we are picking up. My colleague Atul is on the phone line with us. Atul, we're just picking up that Sushil Pandit, who has been targeted, and a probe is also on. We're picking up news that the assassination plot against Sushil Pandit, sources have told Republic TV that the activist was targeted for speech favouring revocation of Article 370 and for demanding Kashmiri Pandits return to the valley and for the JNU speeches. The latest developments that you're picking up.
Well, Abhinav, I would like to tell you one thing, that Sushil Pandit is the man who's a Kashmiri activist, and he is raising voice of the Kashmiri Pandits in the national capital as well as in the other parts of the state. So when he was going to JNU and was advocating the rights of the Kashmiri Pandits, and he was also in favor of removing Article 370, and he was continuously giving speeches in favor of removing Article 370. It was one of the reasons ISI wanted to eliminate Sushil Pandit. And ISI, the people who are in ISI, they roped in one guy, Deepak, and he is based in Dubai. And Dubai-based Deepak had a contact with Prince, who is a criminal in Punjab. And Prince, who is a criminal in Punjab, had a close relationship with the two persons who has been arrested by the Delhi police day before yesterday. Prince gave them Sipari, which is in their language is a contract, the killing contract, to Sushil Pandit. So no doubt ISI is behind this whole plot. ISI wanted to kill Sushil Pandit just because he was advocating the right of Sushil Pandit, advocating the rights of Kashmiri Pandit, and he was also advocating the removing of Article 370. It was the main reason. That was why the whole conspiracy was held. And now two persons have been arrested by the...
Many thanks, Atul, for getting us the latest developments coming in. Of course, Kashmiri Pandit activist